Expect a loud noise, bright blue spark,
hold on.
nothing on the secondary.
Okay, hold on.
Ready?
Hold on.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's arcing.
Yeah, but it's just arcing between the tape.
Yeah, okay, hold on, Connor. Give me 1 second. I want to record it over here again.
That was really cool.
You want me to activate it again?
Give me 1 second, and then I do.
Alright, let me know when.
How there's this rosemary
Olive oil?
Alright, you're good to go again. Alright.
Damn.
Yep.
That's definitely live.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
That is an
We got
accurate
nothing
statement.
on the absolutely nothing on the secondary.
Well, I didn't expect it, as I said. I had a really short spark gap. Because I just wanted to test the...
Okay.
Okay, because I wanted to make bright blue sparks again for certain.
Okay, let's
just... I just want to try making a bigger gap.
Yeah.
also these little gaps in the tape are causing sparks.
Yeah, don't worry about it right now.
That's the least of the
I just want to short this.
Okay, so here
Press the tape down.
is a longer gap.
Okay. Things are fine. Everything's fine.
And get out of the way.
Are you still holding that loaf of bread?
No.
No.
Alright, I've also, Connor, I've got the Wi-Fi thing set up, so...
Okay, ready?
Yep.
No, that's just within the cap. Let's move the cap closer. Ready? No, still nothing.
No significant gain in the Wi-Fi noise floor.
Is that on the screen right now? Or you? Is the tape?
No, I'm just watching it. Yeah, it's all just arcing.
We're getting arcing between the tape.
That looks really freaking cool.
Also, Connor, can you actually like scoot left or something so I can...
Here, let's move this trash can so you can sit here.
It worked for a bit.
What is the noise? What's making the noise? Caps, probably.
Caps.
Let's do a few things. Let's move this so we have a clear walkway.
Ooh, get a spike in your signal.
That's weird.
Spike again.
Where's the foil?
We didn't bring any fresh foil down.
Do you have some foil down here? Well, this is gonna go where you are, so we can get this way.
Do some duct tape on the outside?
Yeah, sure.
Where did I put it?
Are we going back to what we had before?
Well, we're just to hopefully prevent some marking.
And this way, at least if there is arcing, we'll know where. First step to fixing the problem is figuring out what the problem is.
Always.
So, Jordy, can I see your phone for just a second? I just thought of something.
Why?
I wonder if I can actually use that sleep. Just because I want to use this as a reflection so I can see. Okay, that actually works really well. That is recording, and the frame looks pretty good.
Alright, everybody out of the way.
Alright.
Alright, I'll sit here.
Don't.
Why not? I just want to be able to see
Okay,
if there's a problem.
hold on.
I want to be able to see if there's a problem.
Okay. Yeah, I think he's fine there.
Okay.
Where's the arcing?
Keep going. Okay, wait. Okay, try again. Off. Turn it back on.
just sounds like...
Back on. I have no idea.
That just sounds like aluminum foil vibrating.
Yeah, it may be.
That doesn't even sound like it arcing.
Well, you had a dip.
That's what it could be. Well, there was no like
you would expect
huge
some
problem.
to shoot up.
So yeah, go ahead and do that.
Alright, this should be loud.
Oh boy.
No, there's just arcing secondary.
Secondary just isn't doing anything.
Let me touch it.
You want to move the secondary closer, the leaves closer?
That's what I was about to do.
Yeah.
You ready?
Just for funds. Alright, go ahead.
We have
Very minimal arcing.
yeah, very minimal.
It's nowhere near as cool as just the lead.
Yeah, the spark gap is much cooler.
What if we just keep all the random crap and say that the primary is in fact our secondary, and the secondary is the primary?
We do some fancy video editing and
I just move those. Oh, look, it works. Hey.
Let me just make sure that this is... I'm wondering, personally, Jordy, if the arcing is the connection to the
wires.
to this guy.
Want to stick it in the middle somewhere?
I'm just gonna put it here for now.
Okay.
I'm curious.
So let's do that again.
Extend the gap a bit.
So this one won't be as loud, we think.
Oh no.
Hopefully it will be. Probably it won't be.
Nothing.
Why is nothing happening? We want something to happen.
Stick it in the middle, like Jordy was saying.
Yeah.
That might, yeah.
That definitely will get
What frame do you have in here?
16.
conduction 12.
That'd be a weird. That's weird number now.
That those numbers.
That sounds like dying.
Inactive. There must be.
Wait. Wait. It's not connected.
Oh.
Oh.
You got it?
You want to short out the cap for me?
Wait, what's not connected?
This here, the coil.
Yeah.
That would explain
That could
a
explain
little
why
bit
it's not
of
working.
why things aren't working. Well, I mean, it shouldn't actually have done anything
There you go.
because it wasn't connected in the first place.
The things have trouble working when they're not connected.
Yeah, electricity kind of needs that.
Scumbag electricity.
You good to go?
No, not yet. Hold on.
No when.
Okay,
Alright, you ready?
let's go. Where is this vibrating coming from?
I swear that sounds like aluminum foil. That doesn't sound like a spark to me.
Okay. Stop. Can I have a glove? Just toss me a glove.
What's going on?
One day my family will have AC Wi-Fi. Since we now are all getting phones with AC Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why do you really need it on your phone?
Well, we're also we're at the point where we're upgrading all of the computers to computers with AC Wi-Fi. And while I have a wired connection, no one else does. Despite there being
Let me know when you want me to do
Cat5
something.
Just
cable
keep slipping
everywhere
out.
in the house. Yeah.
Come on now.
However, I'm so glad knowing I'm not the only one whose house is like that.
I wish we actually had like a proper panel in each room, but we don't.
Give it a shot.
Okay.
Miss Hudson, one of the math teachers, her husband did that to their house.
Off.
Cat
Back
6 everywhere,
I see it.
and then
It is that piece of tinfoil right there.
What one?
That. That one. It's vibrating against the glass. It's that one loose corner right there.
Which means we might be having leakage into that glass, through that glass for some reason.
That one.
And you are sure you have the distance between this primary and secondary right?
Between this?
Yeah.
The coils? It shouldn't really. It shouldn't matter.
Yes, it should matter hugely.
The difference. The distance between here and here.
Yeah. That
Why
determines the
should
coupling factor of the transformer. That's huge. That's everything. The distance between this wire and this coil is what determines how tightly coupled the transformer is. That makes a huge difference.
So what you're saying is we need to...
Well, we need to read to see what it's supposed to be.
Here.
It did not specify. Though I do see. I do. Of course, I see what you mean.
The fact that that's not doing anything means that the tank circuit isn't tuned properly.
Yes. Correct. You want to just like.
Could you actually, I know this sounds weird, I want to try removing the capacitors from circuit one at a time, starting with this one.
Okay.
Hey, Will.
Yeah?
Nah.
Oh,
What do you have to drink down here? I thought I saw.
You good?
Juices.
Yeah,
Juices and the booze.
Okay.
Let's just make this closer again, see how it affected it. Alright, can you try taking out one more? Short it first.
Put the glove.
Right there. Oh, here's the glove.
Oh.
I'd recommend shaking that up first, Nick.
Fair enough.
No rum?
No, not today.
Not yet. We get rum when we celebrate.
Oh, one, oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
We have tropical screwdrivers for everybody.
What I'm curious about is if we're not tuned correctly, and that might help tune it.
Hold on. Don't touch.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
That's weird. It's not making much of a difference. Except, I mean, look at the sparks on the secondary. Where's the... Alright, I guess try... Short it out, obviously. I want you to try... Try this one. All right. We're going live. No, it doesn't seem to be making a positive difference. I just don't like that the caps are making a noise.
Neither do I.
Well, there are snapper cans and tinfoil.
Try taking out the two that are, the two remaining aluminum top ones.
Nick, the orange juice shouldn't be that chewy.
That's not. I didn't know a piece of bread.
Oh.
If it was, and yeah, I was gonna say, dang. That's a bad orange.
It's like,
Now, obviously, with only one cap,
why are you chewing your
it's going to be
orange?
hard to tell if we made an improvement because, you know, it's not going to be a very great, you know, you need more than one cap, but... Ready?
Go ahead.
gap is working a lot better. I don't know why.
Yeah, it sounds
connections.
different.
It's not as powerful. See now what's going on. Wait, turn it back on.
You're having arcing from the wire to something.
Yep. Yes, that's exactly what's happening.
Oh, here.
You see the liquid vibrating on the edge.
First of all, just use
gloves.
a different wire.
That's not gonna do. That's not gonna do.
It would really be nice if we had high voltage wire for this. So that's what we'll order next.
I thought we would order caps next.
Well, yeah, caps and high voltage wire.
Let's just get a arc.
Yeah, we need to find a way to separate it.
Let's just get a new piece of wire.
I still don't. I think there's something wrong with this cap setup over here. And that seems to be the general consensus of everybody.
Yeah.
I really just want to be able to just connect one cap. Well, this isn't the cap we wanted to connect, but let's see what happens.
Is that hooked up to the
How does that other?
Yeah, it's hooked up. It's hooked up. It's good.
Yeah, that might not be a good cap, that's what I was saying, but yeah, if it's making that sound, something's not insulated as well as it should be. That's what I don't like.
Yes.
You know?
Let's take off the duct tape and the tin foil and just use the tape and see how things are.
That shouldn't make much of a difference.
What?
That shouldn't make much of a difference.
Why not?
Because that's just on the outside. And whatever's happening is something that's on the inside.
We're not.
Let's see. What I want is something to keep this up off the rest of the circuitry. You know?
Yes. I see. But
Let's see what you can do. That's not off the rest of the circuitry.
I know. What was that boat thing you were using? Piece of wood, I think.
Yeah, we should have brought some other wire. I've got another option, Jordy. Oh, alright, you want to try that?
Yeah, why not? Still have it. Turn it off. Short it. These darn caps.
Yeah, they certainly aren't being helpful. You already shorted it, right? If you're up for hanging around here longer, we could look at some other articles on making caps for Tesla coils. See if they I think most of them suggest similar things, but they might be just different enough.
Okay.
It's coming along.
Yeah.
We got arcs. We roasted a marshmallow.
Make.
I heard that.
Voltage. Voltage.
That's about it, though.
Capacitors.
We did the caps. Adjusted spark caps.
How to make simple high voltage capacitors for Tesla coils.
Okay, Jordy, could you get out of the way?
2 clear overhead projector
Jordy, could you get out
transformers.
of the way? Just... Well, here,
Zip.
let's just show it. It does want a gap closer. Oh. What the? Yeah, it's almost just not working. Alright, yeah. I don't know what's wrong, but it ain't gonna work right now.
How to make a high capacitance high voltage capacitor.
I think you
That's
got
not
copper
important.
wire touching the. We have copper. Well, kind of the wire of the cap is touching the inside of the glass.
Yeah, that might do it.
Oh boy.
So proper cap time, it sounds like.
I would like that.
They make everything a lot neater.
Yeah, I think proper caps is what all of us want.
Well,
There's
let's
no
go ahead and do that
design.
then.
Get a student grant from student people.
I thought Nick was
I'll pay for him. I got money in the bank now. Recouped from the new NAS.
Yeah, I think there's probably something wrong with the caps.
Well then, should we? What do we do? Call it a day.
Well, if you want, we can call it a day. We can also look up other articles on making caps. It's up to you.
I don't. Let's not.
Well,
let's get some proper caps.
Yeah.
Let's look up what some proper caps. Let's do some research now on proper caps.
Well, then let's go up to the computer lab.
To your room.
Yeah,
All right.
where the Wi-Fi's faster.
I'm gonna.
Also, Nick.
Yo.
Free now? Or NAS time?
Yeah, sure. We can do that now. We can do that after.
Well, the
Jordy
machine
wants
is.
to head out, or-
The machine is.
Oh, well.
is
Let me make
slow,
sure I
so
got-
We could probably start it now and then.
Everything's safe. Is it? We have discharged the capacitor.
All right. Give me one
So-
second. We'll. I
Okey-dokey.
just need to.
I just have to go down like the free NAS. I don't do all
Well, we're
that
on the
shit.
right track.
Well, we have a day
Yeah.
before.
We have a definite improvement.
Yeah, we have some parking.
We got some crazy good sparks.